Hey everyone, just wanted to give a quick demo of our new Sightline Insights agent. Before diving in, just want to mention that the analytics space overall is going through a bit of a transition period. With AI and LLMs, it's no longer sufficient just to dump a bunch of data and dashboards on users and hope that they figure it out. Much less in our space with analytics for AI bots and agents. It's a new sort of data set. And we just heard that the burden on users of having to sift through to figure out, one, what are the insights, and two, what do they actually do with it, is something that, they would like our assistance for. So essentially, we built a data analyst that crawls through all of our agent visits. And here you can see our dashboard where we're showing live visits to sightline.ai, which pages, etc. So we set up an agent that runs once a week with a framework of analysis that we've done with a bunch of different customers, and also the baselines from the entire Sightline platform. So we characterize over 4 million agent visits per day, and it's very helpful to be able to put the findings for one particular website or one particular customer in the context of the broader trends, what we're seeing overall in the ecosystem. So just looking for our site, you can see that the agent here found 3 insights worth noting. 2 parts to each one. You can visit the data directly in the site. So let's just take this first insight. The chatbot scorecard blog post, our best blog post of all time, has 14x more retrieval than our others in the last 30 days. So I could either dive deep and look at exactly what that view is in the data. And so this would be looking at the other blog posts and accessed by OpenAI. Or I can open up that insight and ask follow-up questions directly. So I might ask, okay, it drove bot users, but what about humans? And here it does analysis. It does some further data pulls. It also reasons through some of the data. And then it gives me my answer. Yes, it drove 105 human visits, number 3 on the entire site, but not number 1. And then I can even ask, following the recommendation of let's refresh this main post, I can ask, how would you refresh the post or create a similar one? And here it'll actually go crawl the page in real time, pull the content, and try and understand via web search how it might update. And here we go. Why the post works, comparative, named entities, names, ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, stats with recency signals. So how to update it, update the data using SimilarWeb or others, change the slug, update the audience breakdowns, how to create similar content, name competitors, comparative metrics, etc. So yeah, hopefully this is helpful in taking a finding and then making it actionable for content strategy. The next extension of this obviously is to say, okay, now go do it for me, and plug in directly to CMS and start to create that content, which we're working on. But just want to give this quick update, and yeah, love for people to check it out and let me know what you think. Sightline, as always, is free to integrate and use. So would love feedback, and thanks for watching.